Hello, and welcome to my channel Mistletoe Virus. Tune into the Mistletoe Virus channel for a unique blend of holidays and theme parks content, as well as an inside look at my family's life and adventures. Let's start the video.
So yeah, we're gonna be here for a while. These ostriches are troublemakers. They're kind of like the giraffes. They take after the giraffes. Yeah. Why are you evil eyeing me now? Listen, you're the one blocking me. What if it's 5:37? We are still holding for an ostrich. Yeah, this ostrich looks like it has like no intent in moving at all. It looks like it's very content just standing. Don't evil eye me. I'm doing nothing to you. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Just keep sort of turning her head like fully around. Just look at me. Not one step, two step, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we're gonna get to move really slowly now. They follow the leader with an ostrich. Hey, it stepped out of the road. Is there one in one spot? Back on the move.
Thank you for watching, and I'm going to wrap it up.